Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I wanted to do a quick cook video on this kebab grill. This is a pretty basic recipe. I'm just using a store-bought marinade on chicken breast. It's a mojito lime marinade that I'm using. I let it sit in there for 3 or 4 hours. Then kind of pat dried the chicken. Seasoned it up with Tony's and a mesquite barbecue seasoning. Kind of all over the place with the seasoning profile on there. But I had some zucchini and onion to go with it, so I added that to it. Probably took about 20 minutes to cook these, rotating them every now and then. You can also turn these skewers on the flat side so that you can get all 4 sides cooking. You can see there where they're sitting on the flat side instead of the grooves. But this was just a quick cook video, just to show the grill. There's a better look at it from a video I did a couple days ago if you hadn't seen it. On this last skewer here I have some peaches. And man, if you hadn't tried grilled peaches, that's something you should really get into. It just has cinnamon and honey put on them, and they are delicious. And the peach wasn't even that good. It was just a store-bought peach, and it wasn't real sweet, but that right there gets them right. I just let them go maybe 10 minutes. I started losing 1 or 2 right there, so I went ahead and pulled them off, and that was pretty much it on that. That chicken will go real good with a tzatziki sauce or something like that if you have it, but I just ate it plain like that. But if you're looking for a grill like this or a smoker or anything, I'll have my email in the description box. This is the 10 skewer kebab grill. It's $6.25. It also has 3 removable cast iron grates to go on top there. But like I say, if you're looking for a smoker, a Santa Maria grill, anything, you can shoot me an email. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.